Lipids. The term lipids was first time used by Bloor. Bloor defined it as fat-like substances. Generally, lipids has a great importance in the living system because they are the major source of the energy. They give the highest amount of energy per gram. 1 gram of lipid provides 9.3 kilocalorie of the energy. Lipids has great importance. Other than this, they are also functions as the major storage food reserves. A 70 kilogram man can store up to 15 kilogram of the lipid molecule because they are anhydrous in nature. They are hydrophobic in nature, and lipid generally includes fat, oils, and waxes and some other related compounds. Lipids are the heterogeneous class of compound because of their diverse nature. Lipid contains fatty acids, alcohols are the basic components and they are joined by ester linkage. But there are also some fatty fats which does not follow the general structure of the lipid molecule, such as steroid. Steroid does not contain fatty acid as well as they does not give any type of the reaction which are the basic nature of the lipid molecule. The component of the lipid includes alcohol and fatty acids. Alcohol, the major alcohol which are the component of most of the fats are glycerol. Glycerol forms the triglycerides with the reaction of fatty acid by the ester linkage. Triglycerides are the most abundant dietary lipids, which are about 90% of dietary lipids includes triglycerides. Other components are fatty acids. There are two types of the fatty acids which are involved in the structure of the lipid. These are saturated fatty acid and unsaturated fatty acid. There are two long chain alcohols, cetyl alcohol and methyl alcohols. They are the component of the waxes. So saturated fatty acid does not contain double bond. They are generally obtained from animal sources, but they are also present in the plants. Saturated fatty acids generally known as harmful for the health because they have high melting point and are solid at the room temperature. Here are some examples of saturated fatty acids which are commonly found in the lipid molecule. Lauric acid, which contains 12 carbon atom and it is found in the spermaceti and laurel oil. Myristic acid, which contains 14 carbon atom and present in butter and wool fat. Palmitic acid and stearic acid, both are the most abundant fatty acid which are distributed in the nature. They are obtained from animals as well as plant fats. Arachidic acid is which contains 20 carbon atoms are found in the groundnut oil. So these are the example of saturated fatty acid. Generally, the fatty acid present in the lipid ranges from 4 carbon to the 30 carbon. Other group of fatty acid is unsaturated fatty acid, which contains one or more double bond. Myristolic acid contains 14 carbon atom, one double bond at the 9th carbon. Palmitoleic acid contains 16 carbon atom, one double bond at the 9th position. Oleic acid contains 18 carbon, one double bond and on the 9th position. Linoleic acid 18 carbon, 2 double bond on the 9 and 12. Linoleic acid contains 3 double bond and carbon atom are 18 and the bond are situated at 9, 12 and 15. Arachidonic acid 20 carbon essential fatty acid, 4 double bond 5, 8, 11 and 14 carbon atom. The stearic acid is converted in the oleic acid by the addition of a single double bond in the human body. But other fatty acids, linolenic acid and arachidonic acid, they are essential and are not synthesized in the human body. There are several biological importance of the lipid molecule. First, their functions as the food material. Food materials means they are the major energy source for the living system and provide highest amount of the energy in comparison to the protein and carbohydrate. Due to their anhydrous nature or hydrophobic nature, they can be stored in the large amount and functions as food reserve. As I told you that a man which are 70 kg can store up to 15 kg of the lipid. Structural component, they also functions in the structure of the membranes and some other nervous tissue. Heat insulation. A lipid layer is found in the epidermis layer of the skin and functions as insulator which protect the animals from the cold climate. So such as polar bear and other which are the habitat of the poles and low temperature, they contain a heat insulating layer of the lipid and are protected by their climatic condition. They also functions as fatty acid transport. Generally, phospholipids are involved in the transport of fatty acid from the liver and other organs. Hormone. There are several hormones which are considered in the lipid, such as steroid hormones, sex hormones, estrogen, androgen, testosterone, progesterone. These are all steroid in the nature and are the hormones. Vitamin carriers. Vitamin A, D, E and K are the fat soluble vitamin and they are only soluble in the lipid. So their transport is required for the presence of the lipid. They transport with the help of the lipid molecule. Blood cholesterol lowering. It was thought since long time that the saturated fatty acid is harmful for the health. But it was in recent research in 1990 decades, it was seen that stearic acid participate in the lowering of blood cholesterol. So stearic acid is important and they participate in the lowering of blood cholesterol. The other function is antibiotic agent. Squalane is a chemical which is found in the shark fish and functions as antibacterial and antifungal agents, and presence of this, the shark fish has never infected and there is rare to cause cancer type of diseases in these fishes due to presence of the antibiotic squalane. So lipid has a lot of importance in the biological system. They are also not considered as macromolecule because they are small and are the smallest biomolecules. But in some cases they function as a polymer. For example, in the structure of the membrane, there are several lipid molecules are arranged in a sequence and forms the complex structure of the membrane. But generally they are not considered a macromolecule like other nucleic acids and proteins. So this is about the introduction and importance of the lipid.